Now let us look at the Maximax gain criteria of the decision-making process under uncertainty. Maximax gain criteria assumes optimism. The criteria assumes that the nature is on the side of the decision maker and will work to his advantage. In terms of economy, this criteria assumes that the economy will continue to grow at a very high rate. The Maximax gain criteria selects a strategy which maximizes the maximum gains. In other terms, Maximax criteria aims at the best of the best. Let us look at an example to understand it further. A manufacturer of laptops is faced with the problem of selecting one of the two models to be manufactured. The profit depends on the market acceptability of the model, which at present is uncertain, but it has been broadly classified into four categories: excellent, good, fair, and poor. The profits or losses expected by the management from the different levels of market acceptability of the models is given in a tabular format. So in the table you can see the market acceptability is listed as excellent, good, fair, and poor, and the profit for each of the models has also been listed against each of the market acceptability. So if the market acceptability is excellent, then model A can generate a profit of 60,000 rupees, while model B can generate a profit of 78,000 rupees. If the market acceptability is good, then model A can generate a profit of 28,000 rupees, while model B can generate a profit of 30,000 rupees. The question is, which model should the company select? In this case, the probabilities of market acceptability being excellent, good, fair, or poor has not been provided. And this is the unknown, which makes this a case of decision making under uncertainty. To solve this problem using the Maximax gain criteria, let us first build the payoff matrix. So let's note down the strategies. A and B, and the states of nature, that is excellent, good, fair, and poor. Now let's note down the values. So for model A, excellent is 60,000, good is 28,000, fair is 18,000, and poor is 8,000. For B, 78,000, 30,000, 8,000, and minus 12,000. Now, since the Maximax criteria considers the maximum of the maximum gains, let's first list the maximum payoffs from each of the models. So maximum payoff. For model A, maximum is 60,000, and for model B, the maximum is 78,000. And the Maximax criteria will choose 78,000 because 78,000 is larger than 60,000. So in this case, using Maximax gain criteria, the decision maker would choose model